Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. From Standard 6, English Medium, chapter number 4. What is the chapter name? Articles. Okay, so let's see the chapter and the information about the articles. See, words such as a, an, and the are known as articles. So, which articles? A, an, and the, they are known as articles. An article always comes before the noun in a sentence. Where do we put articles? Before a noun. But we do not put these articles before a proper noun, means a particular name. We cannot say a Raghav because Raghav is a proper noun. In common noun we put the articles: a chair, a fan, a pen, a table, a bag. We can say that, but we cannot say a Raghav, a Piyush, a Manav. We cannot say that. Okay, so remember it. Okay, keep it in your mind. Okay, the types of articles. Articles are two types: indefinite and definite articles. Okay, indefinite and definite articles you all know already. Articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. What is the indefinite articles and definite articles? See, indefinite articles modifies any common noun in its singular form. What? Common noun in its singular form. So, a and n, these are we put in indefinite articles, and in definite articles we can put the. Let's see the first indefinite articles. Okay, where we put these indefinite articles in where? In common noun. And what is the mean? The articles a and mean only one, shows that only one person. Using this indefinite article showing the one person. A pen means one pen. Okay, an umbrella. So an umbrella means only one, showing the one category. Okay, one person. A and N refer to any one general member of the class of common noun. Okay, they are called indefinite articles. So now you know about the indefinite articles. Now, when do we use these indefinite articles? We discuss here. Okay, see, when do we put these indefinite articles? See. Okay, we use a and n indefinite articles here before countable nouns. When we count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we count only one thing, not 2, 3, 4, 5, but count as one. Okay, before that we put these articles. Example, a student, we can count it. A chair, flower, ant, apple, aeroplane, we can count it. So we put that before it. Okay, now remember it. What? A is used before a noun beginning with a consonant sound, and N is used before the noun beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, which consonant sound and vowel sound? First you remember that. I think you know about this vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. If the sound created by this, okay, spoken by this sound, A, E, I, O, U. U means a sound, okay. Then we put only what? N. But if the sound created not this vowel sound, we cannot put N. Okay, now see here the example of friend not comes with the vowel F, starting with the F, so we cannot put this N here. Okay, and see, an artist, starting with the word A and the vowel sound created. Okay, artist, a sound. So we put N before that. See. Now see. Okay, to define or describe a person or an object. Describe a person. Okay, or an object. How? See the example. An engineer. Engineer, describe it. And one engineer. A mobile phone. A student. An imported watch. Imported watch. Describe the things. Okay, which? Only one category. When a proper noun is used as a common noun. When a proper noun is used as a common noun, then we use articles. See, we need a Gandhi to stop violence in India now. Here this Gandhi not is use a proper noun but use as common noun. Okay, that is why articles A here be put it. Okay, in some expressions that contains idioms we can put the articles. Okay, let's see. Mukul was in a hurry, so we put the articles here. Okay, now see the note. What determiners are words which modify a noun in some way. Some other determiners are which determiners? These, that, these, those, my, yours, either, neither, some, any, many, what, and whose. Determiners are words modify a noun. We can modify it. Okay, see, where we do not put articles A and let's see, before countable nouns in their plural forms. If given is singular form, we can put articles A and, but if given the plural form of that noun, we cannot put it with countable nouns. See, because they not signify the one category. I have chairs. Chairs is given in plural form, so we cannot say a chair. Okay, please bring some sugar. We cannot put before a sugar. Okay, it's liquid material noun, so we cannot say a sugar. Before an adjective not followed by noun. He is brilliant. He is a brilliant. We cannot say. If given the noun brilliant, then boy, before that given the boy. Okay, brilliant given, but we cannot, we up to here. See the example. He is brilliant. We cannot put articles A before that. But if given the last letter, last word is boy, brilliant boy, so we put A. He is a brilliant boy. We can say that, but we cannot say that he is a brilliant. Okay, we cannot say that. It's a wrong. When the noun is preceded by another determiner. See, this is a poem of mine. Not this is a my poem. We cannot say that. This is a poem of mine. Before the possessive, we cannot put these articles. Okay. Have you seen a movie recently? This is correct, a movie. But have you seen any? A and any we cannot go together with these articles. Okay. So this is the information about what the indefinite articles. I hope you understand it. Now comes with what? Comes with the definite articles. Let's see the definite articles. The. A definite article is used when we want to refer to a particular person or object. Means a particular person or an object in single form. How? Let's see. When do we use definite articles? Okay, here is given the information about the definite articles with the example. See, we usually complete an exercise or a task within 10 minutes, but the exercise we are doing today will take a little more time. The time within which we must complete the exercise in 15 minutes. In the above passage, the word a and an is referred to the exercise and task in general. The word the refers to the particular exercise. Which exercise? The particular exercise or task that the teacher wants the students to do that day. Particular exercise done that day. That is why here the put the. Okay. Now let's see here. When do we use definite articles? Okay. We use the with singular nouns. Where? Singular nouns. Okay. The exercise you did today was difficult. means the particular exercise is given. That is why here the is used. Okay, let's see the second one. Plural nouns, which the exercises in this chapter are very interesting. Here given not single exercise but many more exercise, but in one chapter. That is why here the is used. The exercises. Okay, nouns already mentioned. I am writing a poem now. The poem is about nature. If given the here, see, writing a poem, okay, in a sentence. This is the first sentence, okay. If this poem described in second sentence, so we put the before it. See, the poem. So why? Because these talk about this poem. That is why we put the in second sentence. This is a river. This is a river. In a second sentence, if I talk about that river, we put the before the river. This is a river. The river is full of water. That is the where we put the before the river. Okay. Now comes the uncountable nouns when a particular or definite reference is made to them. Example: the milk is stale. The milk is stale. See, uncountable nouns means the particular or definite reference is made to them. Milk stale બગડી ગયું છે એ બતાવવા માટે. ઓકે, stale. Ordinals such as first, second, third, next, further and etc. Whenever you see these ordinals number, we put the before it. The first letter of the English alphabet is A. The last boy of the class is very naughty. Okay, so this is where we put the adjectives in the superlative degree. In the superlative degree, we use the before the adjective or adverb given. Okay, here given the highest, the cleverest. Okay, the highest, the cleverest, the prettiest. Before the adjective we put the in superlative degree. Now see, musical instrument, only one, that is why here the drums, the guitar, we use that. The sitar, we use the names of the instruments, musical. Okay, names of what? Names of seas, ocean, rivers. Why? Because it's only one name given. The Gangas, the Jamnas, the Bay of Bengal, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. We can use the before it. Now see, some countries we use the United Arab Emirates, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Why? Because only one country. That is why we put the before it. Mountain ranges. Why? Because only one thing. One, the Alps, the Himalayas, the Everest. Okay, that is why we use the, because it's only one. Well-known buildings. Which buildings? The Red Fort, the Buckingham Palace, the White House, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort already is given. So the is used where we see the well-known buildings. Then the newspaper, the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, the Sundays, the Gujarat, the Times of India, where we use the before the given the newspaper's name. Trains and ships, the Darjeeling Mail, the MV Harshvardhan's trains and ship, given the names where we put the. Okay, let's see the remember thing. What? See, we do not use any article with proper nouns. As I already said, we cannot put articles before the proper noun, such as India, Mr. Rajbir Singh, we cannot put it. Abstract nouns such as honest, beauty, truthfulness, we cannot use the what articles, we cannot use it here. Material nouns, iron, steel, sugar, okay, we cannot use it. Salt, we cannot use before that. Common nouns in idiomatic expressions such as go by bus, travel by taxi, be out of station, feel at home, etc. These common nouns idiomatic we cannot put articles. Okay, so this is the information about the articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay, I hope you understand it, and thank you for listening me. Thank you.